Okay, I'll show you how to add a dashboard element using AI. So this is a dashboard, and we'll go to AI option here, and let's just type list of orders. Okay, so it gives me a list of orders with the SQL query. I can refine this query. Let's say I want to group the orders by employee and show as a bar graph. I get the bar chart here, and what I can do now is I can see it in different formats. So I can see it in line or area or whatever I want. And I also have this advanced option where I can go to the advanced settings and customize the graph further if I want with a bunch of options. Now I can add this to my dashboard. I select the dashboard and click on Add. Okay, now I can head back to dashboard, and my element is available here and I can place it nicely. If you want to refine this element further, you can even use AI here as well. I can say, change background to something nice. So it changes the background, and I can update the element. That's it.